When the bearing came out, half of the race stayed on the hub, so you can get it off by hitting it. A little bit of an itch is okay. We just want to get the thing moving, and we can rotate positions here. Once we get it going, we're good.
It's coming out.
Sure is. Just got to catch the edge. I don't really want to damage.
Yeah, you don't want to, because we're going to reuse this.
But I have another tool that I can use. We could cut this with the wizard cutter right now and split it.
So not reusing the bearing, we're reusing this flange right here, so we get this out of there.
Yeah. All right, so set this down here.
What's that tool you use, Steve?
It's a puller.
Yeah, like a Pitman puller, or?
No, it's a puller for like bearings, for doing carrier bearings on rear ends.
Okay.
But it'll make easy work of this.
It almost looked like that GM Pitman puller we used on my Jeep.
Yeah.
Kinda. That's why I asked.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
Yeah, I remember it was kind of a funky.
Yeah.
There it goes.